How to create training reels using Canva for Instagram for free. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to create training reels using Canva for Instagram for free. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch any web browser on your device, click the search bar and type in canva.com. Press enter on your keyboard. Then you will access the official interface of Canva. Make sure to log into your particular account on Canva. After that, you have to select or first of all go to the video section by clicking the video. A menu box appears where you need to click the search bar at top and type in Instagram Reel. Then you will see different templates of different ratio. You can easily scroll down and choose the particular one. Once you have selected, you will come across this section. After that, first of all, you have to select the gradient. For that, you can simply head towards the element from this left panel and then choose the search bar at top of the screen and type in gradient. When you scroll down, you can easily find out the gradients in the form of graphics, photos, frames, videos, and many more. Let's head towards the videos and click the See All button. Scroll down. And here you need to choose the gradient that is for free. So how to identify the free one? Those videos or photo which does not have this pro sign, that is for free. So simply select any one of those and then here you need to fit in this portion or the frame. You can easily rotate and expand using the corner arrows. So once you have successfully fit in the gradient here, you need to move towards the next step. The next step is simply you need to use the frames. For that you can choose the frames which is beside the videos. And here if you don't find the required frames, you can choose the search bar again and then go to the elements before that and search for the mobile frame. Here you can easily find out the mobile frame. Simply choose the preferred one. Once you have chosen, you can easily expand this and fit in wherever you would like to place it. So once you do that, the next step that you need to follow is you can easily personalize the elements on your reel. And after that, you can add the video as well inside of this. So let's go to uploads at the left panel and then here you can easily upload the files that are inside your file manager. So simply let's choose any one of those. You can also choose the video from existing video. Simply click on it and you need to drag and drop here. Once you are done with that, you can easily scroll and choose the duration as well. Here, with the help of the end corners, you can easily drag and bring here if you'd like to crop it. Once you are done with customizing your reel video, you can simply click on the share icon at top right corner of the screen. Here you need to choose download button and then you need to click on this arrow and here you need to choose the file type. For now, let's select the MP4 video and once you do that, you can easily click on the save download settings and you can easily scroll the slider and increase the quality as well. Click on download button and then you can easily download your reel video of Instagram. So that is how we create the training reels using the Canva for Instagram for free. That's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.